How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. Hello guys, this is Arkis and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, locate your app. So this is the one right here. So if you're having problem, what you'll need to do is go to your settings first. After you open up your settings, find General and then open it up. After you open up your General, go to iPhone Storage. After you're on your iPhone Storage, find Microsoft Authenticator app. So you can simply search it on the top. There we have it. Now after you find this, tap on the offload button and then confirm it by tapping on offload app again. And after you finally offload the app, reinstall it back again. Doing that will clear out the cache of the Microsoft Authenticator app, and after you've cleared out the cache, try to open up your Microsoft Authenticator again. If it still does not work, the app might require an update. So head over to your App Store, find the App Store and then open it up. After you open up your App Store, search for Microsoft Authenticator. And after you search for it, you should simply open that up. And if you see an update button like that, press on update. Now when you update your app, there will be bug fixes and performance improvements, so that should fix your problem. And that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye.